Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut on PC. To download and install CapCut on PC, open up your web browser and then go to this web page. Now I'll also have this web page linked in my written guide, which will be the first link in this video's description, so you can go ahead and get it from there. But once you're on this web page, you can go over to this button where it says Download for Windows. And then you'll be taken to a new web page, and the CapCut installer file should start downloading automatically. Once the CapCut installer exe has finished downloading, you can just go ahead and click on Open File, accept any user account control prompts if you do get any, and then the CapCut desktop installer will start installing CapCut to your PC, so you'll just need to wait for this to finish. Once the installation is finished, CapCut will test your PC to see how well it can run CapCut. Once it's finished, it'll show you any problems that it's detected, and you can go ahead and see if you can do anything about it. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Continue to Use. Now, once CapCut is launched, I do recommend that you sign into an account. And you can sign in with TikTok, use a QR code, Facebook, or Google. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with Google in this example. And once you're signed in, you can go ahead and use CapCut. And this is just to avoid any issues with watermarks when you're exporting projects in CapCut. So to start using CapCut, you can go ahead and click on New Project. When you launch CapCut for the first time, it'll show you some tips like where to import materials, how you can drag these materials to the timeline, how you can add effects to the timeline. Here you can play and preview any footage that you have on the timeline. And when you're finally done with the video, you can go ahead and click on Export up here to export the video. But that's how to download and install CapCut on PC. I do hope this CapCut installation guide helped you out. I'll be making a lot more beginner-friendly guides for CapCut on PC on this channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those guides and tutorials. Please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.